Today guys, we will play as Type 74 in the game. What is it called again? Tank Suspension. Right. Today I'm going to play as... I forgot the name. In the game Tank Suspension. Oh my god guys. They have the War Thunder Suspension. Yippee! Look. Tank dancing in slow motion. And then this is so cool guys. Let's drive with the STRB-103 suspension and kill that P1000 Rate. I think it's a P1000 Rate. You will die. You evil man, I am tank. You will die. Goodbye.